G'day, welcome to my channel Alchemy Art by Annette. If you've been to my channel before, you may know that when I move through my videos, I'll explain what I am using either in writing on the screen or I'll tell you just before I use it. When I'm working with resin, I always wear my PPE, which includes a respirator with organic filters. So it's very hard to talk while you've got that mask on, and that's why I do it this way. If you do have any questions or want to know anything extra or just want to say hello, which I would love, just leave me a message down below and I will get back to you. G'day everyone, it's Annette here. Thanks for dropping by. I'm going to make a water ripple tray here. I've been trying to get these molds from the internet for quite some time, but I always miss out. By the time I look, they're already gone. I've got this one and another smaller one, which I'll make another day. I'll use a Tabletop Epoxy, probably, yeah, I think maybe the Tabletop Artist Quality Epoxy by Artco, which is from Harry and Wilma. The colour I'll use is Colour Passions Aqua Gel Tint, Colour Passions Turquoise Gel Tint. I may or may not add a bit of Pacific Reef Blue by Colour Obsession. I'll see how I feel, but I'll hold up everything as I go. I'll get my PPE on, mix up my resin.
Stop to see you cry. I never listen to your tears and praise. Oh no, I never stop to see you try. I never listen to the words you say. Oh no, I never look your eyes of sorrow. I never listen to your cries of pain. You get the love and I don't care. I'm sometimes foolish and so vain. Oh no, I never told you that I love you. When all you did, you took from me. But honey, if you ever leave me, I'll never make it up, okay? Oh no, oh no. Oh no. I'll never leave you waiting. I'll never ever let you go. Oh no, I'll never care about the rain. So forgive me if I can say yeah. I'll never ever let you cry. I'll never ever let you cry. I'll never stop to let you try. I'll never stop to let you try. I'll never ever let you go. Oh no, I'll listen to the words you say. I'll give you all my heart and pray, yeah. I'll never stop in my own way. I'll never stop for you, my babe. Oh no, I'll never stop to let you care. You're all I want, you are my soul. Soul. Oh.
On to the back part. I have no idea what it looks like since I've never used this before. There's not much room left in here, and I'm thinking maybe even white sand. I can't make it too high though because the inside part of this tray was higher than I thought, so I haven't got much room. Something else I've been doing off to one side when I've been using my own pastes, and also if I've got a little bit of leftover mixed resin, is just squirting it or dripping it all over the base of a mould. I've got 3 that I've done this to, and these 2 yesterday after I did this, I mixed up my own black pearl paste I made when I was making up pastes, and the last little bit that was left over, and I've poured that in there as well. So today, if I've got some left over, I'll pour it into this one, and then when we do the demold, I'll unmold those as well. I'll go and get everything ready, mix up my resin, and I'll have my PPE on when I come back, and we'll just see what we end up doing.
I never stop to see you cry. I never listen to your tears and praise. Oh no, I never stop to see you try. I never listen to the words you say. Oh no, I never look your eyes of sorrow. I never listen to your cries of pain. You get your loving, I don't care. I'm sometimes foolish and so vain. Oh no, I never told you that I love you, when all you did you took from me. But honey, if you'll ever leave me, I'll never make it up, okay? Oh no, oh no. Oh no. I never leave you waiting. I never ever let you go. Oh no, I never care about the rain. So forgive me if I can say yeah. I never ever let you cry. I never ever let you cry. I never stop to let you try. I never stop to let you try.
Let's get these out and see how they went. I think I'll do my experimental ones first, just to have a look at them. I don't know if they've worked or not. So these, I just, any leftover little bits of resin when I was piping, I just squirted into the bottom of the mould. This one feels a bit bent, which is probably my fault moving it around. And that black pearl colour was my cheap Kmart mica that I made into a paste. I probably could have used a little bit more down there on that lower edge. Oh wow, that is unusual. Might explore that more. So this is the Artco resin, the artist resin 1:1, and just some leftover of my white blue mix and some of the purple that I made. Okay, and I think this one's got the purple, but it's also got a little bit of lime green, also one that I made. Okay, as I said, these are just experiments to see. Wow, what an interesting effect. I actually like that. Wow. So that's those two. And this one, I haven't put much of the pearl black in there. I can see the edge, so. I think this one is similar to that one. Yeah. Oh, goodness, look at that. What do you reckon, guys? I really like them. Just something different. A way to use up your leftover resin wait for it to get a bit thick and tacky and just play around with it. Gorgeous. Alright, now my very first water ripple tray. Let's have a look, eh? Need some clean up on the edge. Oh, sorry, just a bit hard to hold on to. I don't want to turn it over yet. So. There's the mould. It's quite big. I think it's about 27 to 29 centimeters. Ready? Holy moly, look at that. That is pretty. Wow. I wish I'd put a fishy or two in there, or maybe a larger shell. But I really like that. That's gorgeous. Okay. I'll get some photos of this. I'm wondering whether I might put something on the edge, but yeah, I'm really happy with that. That's really lovely. This is what the tray looks like outside in the sunlight, and I also took a couple more photos. It's really hard for me to capture the effect of this wave tray, but it gives like a water ripple effect into the background, which is just gorgeous. I will be making more of these, I'm sure. I've also really enjoyed using up my leftover, couple of mils of resin rather than just wipe it out or put it in the bin. There's always possibilities, as I found out with these 3 coasters. Anyway, guys, I hope you had a great day today, and I'll see you next Tuesday around 10 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Bye for now.